In today's video, I will teach you how to generate custom stickers using Canva's Magic Media. Let's get started. Custom stickers are great for social media, branding, messaging apps, and digital products. With Canva's Magic Media, you can make fun, unique stickers just by describing what you want. No illustration skills needed. So log into your Canva account, and from the Canvas homepage, click Canva AI to access Canva's Magic AI tools. Inside Canva AI, you'll see a text box where you can type what you want the AI to create. Now click the image icon to switch the AI to Magic Media mode, which is used for generating images. And now we're going to choose a style. To do this, click Style and you'll see a wide variety of style categories such as cinematic, creative, fashion, vector, and more. You can select a style to guide the look of your stickers, or leave it unselected if you already have a specific style in mind and plan to describe it in your prompt. For stickers, styles like vector, illustrated, cartoon, or flat design usually works best. In the text box, describe the sticker that you want to generate and clearly state that it's for a sticker. And make sure to be as specific as possible. You can also include subject or character, emotion or expression, color palette, art style, and background preference. You can also click the mic icon to dictate your prompt instead of typing. And here are some prompt writing tips for better custom stickers. Once your prompt is ready, choose the aspect ratio for your stickers. Most stickers and messaging apps use 1:1 square. You can also choose 4:5 or 3:4 for taller sticker designs, and 9:16 for large stickers for stories or reels. But you can use any aspect ratio depending on how you plan to use the sticker. Now press enter and let Canva's Magic Media generate your sticker designs. Canva will generate 4 sticker images per prompt, so click on each image to view it more closely and compare different styles. And if you like the sticker, you can either open it in Canva's editor, or turn it into a poster, or use it in an Instagram post or story. If your sticker looks slightly low quality, click Boost Resolution to improve clarity. And if it's not what you wanted, you can either tweak your prompt or ask the AI to adjust the style, colors, or expressions, then generate again. And once you're happy with the final sticker, click on the image that you like and select Download to save it to your device. Canva's Magic Media makes creating custom stickers fast, fun, and beginner-friendly. With clear prompts and a little experimenting, you can design stickers that match your personality, brand, and your project perfectly. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.